today we're doing another vlog. And today guys, it's a unboxing vlog. And today guys, we're gonna unbox Lego. And yeah, it's right here on this bag. This is 56 right there. And it's right here said SM. They're SM stores. Their own. I think yeah, it's SM stores. Now let's unbox it. Guys, and this is the SM store, baby. It's not sponsored by SM. Okay, so first item, we got a base plate. Right there, guys, a base plate. And this is one of my favorite here. This is a 600 Lego pieces set. This is what I'm finding for years. This is my birthday gift or something. And this is the base plate I will build on this. So yeah. So first guys, we're gonna open the base plate right here. Here they say base plate, kids shop, and bricks. Now let's open it, guys. Okay. So hard to open it. Opening it with one hand. Wait, guys. Okay, guys, and now I opened it. Now let's gonna open it right here. Let's go, guys. Guys, now I opened it, guys. Let's see. Whoa. This is the base plate I awfully maybe use. Okay. So hard. Okay, ow. I think I need the scissors for this. Okay, wait guys. I think I know how to open this thing. Okay, there. See that, guys? You hear it? Okay, look at this, guys. Super amazing sounds. Amazing. And the final reveal of the base plate is this, guys. It's the base plate I really wanted because it's wiggly. See the sounds, guys? And this is a cool base plate. So cool, guys, and so clean. The textures is so clean. And now let's open this, guys. And we need the scissors for this, so let's go. Okay, guys, so we got the scissors. Now let's cut this up. So clean and nice. Okay guys, let's open it. Wait, that's all you gotta need? Okay. Okay guys. Smash that like button and smash this subscribe button because I will open this. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, guys! Look at these pieces, guys! Whoa, we have a lot of pieces! We have green pieces. These pieces I never had before. A slide piece. Guys, a ladder and a slide piece and some leaves. Whoa, look at this, guys! We have some window pieces, some technique something pieces. And look at this, guys. Whoa, look at that. We have like some hover things. Whoa, guys, this is some normal pieces. And this is cool pieces like this. See? Whoa, wait, I think there's weapons in here. Yep, there's obviously weapons in here. A minifigure, guys. You see a minifigure? Another one. What? There's a lot of minifigures? Takeout thing. What's it called again? I forgot what it's called. So this is all the bags. So guys, we have 8 bags, and I have like this little container, so I can put the Legos in here, guys. Okay, guys. So what? Oh, guys, there's like a motorcycle piece. I will open. Okay, guys. So what should we open first? We open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Comment down below, guys. I think some of you are saying 6. Because, yeah, 6 has the coolest items. And let's open it, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, now I opened it. And let's put this, not right here, let's put it right here. Let's put all the items right here. Okay, guys, so we have a Technic piece, brick, something. Okay, brick separator. And we have some leaf spark, guys. A lot of leaf parts, actually. And right here, we have a yellow ladder. And a slide, guys. Look at this. So cool. Slide. Wow, a motorcycle part, guys.
Babe.
Wow, a motorcycle. Look at this.
Nanghiram si Aizen.
Wow, guys.
Pambayad doon ng
There's a lot.
Ano?
Okay, guys. And we have some base plate right here. Right here, guys. Some green base plate. Some, like, tiles. Like, this tiles base plate. Amazing, guys. This is, I will rate this, bag a thumbs up. I will give it 4 stars. That's so cool. So, what next, guys? What's next? Let's do this one next, guys, right? This one, right? Yeah? Let's do it, guys. Do it, guys. Wait, we can stick some scissors. Amazing. Okay. So, yeah. Let's open this up. Okay, guys, and this is the bag. Let's dump it. Whoa, guys! Okay, so I found some minifigures. So I found this minifigure. Oh, bruh. So it's not like Regal minifigures. It's like old style minifigures. Amazing, guys. I don't know how to use stuff here. Like this, guys. I never have, or I don't even know what is this. Okay. And we have some stuff, guys. Whoa, amazing, guys. It's so cool. What is this? A wooden plank? Amazing. Wooden plank. Cool. This. Oh, another. Oh, a helmet. It's like the Flash helmet, but it's more cooler. It's not much. Guys, another helmet. It's like treasures. Whoa, we have a red helmet. Can go to my accessories pile. This one too. I will keep these. All the accessories, because I have like accessories pile. Now, guys, let's see what has the coolest stuff. I think this one has some cool stuff in it, right? Okay, let's go, guys. ASMR. Okay. Oh no, some pieces fell off. Okay, guys, let's dump it. Whoa. We have some new stuff. A silver thing, a Technic piece. Some bricks that have holes. 4 Technic pieces. A window thingy. Yeah, a window. Whoa, guys, there's a big, like, machete. Amazing. And, like, there's some window pieces, like, here. I don't know what's this for. Comment down below what is this for. I don't know what. You have something like this. And something like this. Well, I never have like this. So there's a lot like I don't have here. So yeah, I need to upgrade some of my things in there. So scan. Oh, whoa. See? It's cool. We have some red pieces like this. slide pieces. That's cool. Some boulder. Wait, this is mushed. Yeah, this is real special. You go back to trash. Whoa, there's like bricks, like gray tile bricks. Whoa, so cool, guys. This is a coal box, and I will open this one. I don't know what is this. Okay, guys, let's open it. Ugh. So hard, guys, to open. Okay, guys, here. Look at all the stuff that I see. Whoa, we have like something like this. Wait, this is broken? Some of them are broken. No use. We have some fences to something. Okay, that's good. I think I will open all of the box. Wait, there. I think I will open this one. Yes, some flowers. So, yeah, I think I will open everything, guys, and see you guys later. This is all of the pieces I have, guys. Amazing. Well, guys. And this is the end of the video. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.